Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see in the description, I'll be doing a DIY knotless. I'm not about to waste no time, so let's jump right in. These are the products I'll be using. This Edge X, I'll be using this Style Factor Edge Booster, and you're gonna also need 2 clips and a few rubber bands. So here I am just parting my hair, so kind of like a quarter up towards the front from ear to ear, and that is just to get the section of the front part of the ear. So next I'm going to go in half with a center part, and in the front I'm going to be having like 2, 4, about 6 braids altogether. So I'm just gonna speed, so just like that. Yeah, so I'm just perfecting my part right there. And here I am doing the back portion as well. I'm just going in, parting that part. And I'm gonna be having like about 8 braids in the back. So I'm just going over that, perfecting the back portion of my hair. This is where the rubber bands come in. So as you can see, I'm just looking in the mirror, making sure that my part is actually straight and just pretty much to perfection. Make sure you oil your scalp as well. That way it doesn't look ashy. Yes, so you're gonna need 2 hair in the back. See, I had to call my husband for help right there. And yeah, so this is where the rubber band comes in. I went ahead and put those in, and just like how it is right now, I'm gonna be going all the way up, repeating this step with the rubber bands. All right. Make sure your parting is pretty much almost perfect, and you're gonna need 2 mirrors for this, one to see in the back of your head and one for the front. Or if you have those mirrors that can actually move around, those will actually be perfect for that. Yes, so I'm just repeating this part of the process right now, going in with another parting, and I'm just going to repeat the same step that you saw me did in the back. So part, section it off, and then put my rubber bands inside of, and then put the rubber bands in the hair. What am I saying? Anyway, voiceover can be a brute. What am I eating there? I think I'm eating ice. I'm an ice eater, y'all. Did I tell you that I'm an ice eater? Yeah, I'm definitely an ice eater. So I'm just going in, continuing to do that, perfecting my part, putting in the rubber bands. And yeah, you can literally jump over this part if you want, because I am just repeating the same steps. So that is what it's supposed to look like, all sectioned off. All my rubber bands are there. And now here I am. I did started this part off camera. I think my battery died right here, so I'm just going in, getting the braids. At this point I have like maybe 3 braids already done, but stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how I actually start one of the braids from scratch. Yeah, and if you're doing this by yourself, at some point in time, you're gonna need to hold the braid with your mouth, okay? It's a DIY, and you just gotta do what you have to do. Okay, so this is how I do it. I started out with my natural hair, doing a regular plait, kind of like in, out, under, over, and now I am actually gonna go in with the braid. So watch closely. So you're gonna take the weave and you are gonna put it under the braiding hair. So the piece that you're about to plait next, you're gonna put it under that part and tie it in and continue to plait. So if you're a visual learner, just look at my hand and finger movements, and if you learn more of an audio, then you can just listen to what I'm saying. I am more a visual learner. Here I am going in again, and this is a close-up look. So yeah, if you didn't get it, maybe you can go back, rewind that part, and I'm pretty sure you'll get it. It's not really that hard. And like I mentioned, guys, you will need 2 mirrors for this. So get in there, get in there. I did jump over the top, and here I am. Whew, finally, the last one. So pay attention again. I'll be doing this last one. As you can see, everything comes along just perfect. Comment down below, go ahead and like this video, all right? It's free to like the video, y'all. All right, so here I am going in with the last one, doing my plait from the root with my own hair. So that is what you're gonna need to do, and watch closely to what I am doing right now. So take the braiding hair, go under the hair that you're gonna braid next, so the plait, and then just continue with that splicing or tying in. Yeah, so I'm on the last one, and that is it. So now you're gonna need some boiling water, and I'm just going over this. I did boil my water off camera, obviously, and I'm just going in with a dish, pouring the water on the braid, making sure that they are straight and just seamless. So comment down below, tell me how did I do. It is my first time, literally my first time. So, and I think it comes out pretty decent. Make sure you get a towel, that way the hot water does not drip on your clothes or on your body, because girl, baby, we don't need no hot water burn around here, okay? So now for the $1 million part, you're gonna need this mousse, or you can use whatever brand you want. I got this from Jamaica. It is called Zimmy. And I'm just gonna go in with the mousse to do my edges and to put that all over the braid just for a more sleek look. All right. Tell me how you like the video so far. Tell me how did I do. Like I said, it is my first time and I think I did pretty damn good for a beginner and for a DIY. Did I say DIY? DIY. Yeah, so I'm just checking everything out. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Seamless. I think I did a pretty good job. And yeah, just comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Just give me my props. Comment down below. Tell me if you like this video. Share it with someone. All right.